So one of the things I don't like about the Prius is this visor. It does not slide. It doesn't block the full side window. So I cut this piece of cardboard. I suppose you could come up with a way, you know, it's just 2 screws here. You could find a visor that does slide if it's the right size and would fit in. There's some electrical coming in here because there's a light when you do that. So there's some sort of sensor. So, you know, in the end, I just have a cheap piece of Velcro that I found that's 2-sided. This way. So the smooth part is there. And I used a really thick, a double thickness cardboard. So what that does, when it's down, this can slide out and be my extender. So again, here's the example. Pull it open, you can see that gap here, it's really bad. And if I just slide that out, I was looking around at what else could I use, what would people commonly have around their house, and this is like something fairly cheap you can get. That's one of these running bands, and it actually, I don't know if I'll use it eventually. I could put something in there like, actually I might use it to store my registration and insurance information, so I always have that at the most accessible, because it always seems to get lost in your glove box, and when you need it, you know, you don't want to be digging, annoying a police officer. It's the last thing you ever want to do. So, yep. So it's just a simple way to fix the lack of some of the refinement that this car came with. All in all, I love the Prius. I'm getting great gas mileage. It drives nicely. It's very quiet. It just, there's some cheap aspects of it for some reason that they sort of just said, well, we're going to stick it in the hybrid engine and not give you common features that I have had in, like my Chevy Cavalier from 1995 had that. It's like, really? It didn't have AC. It had manual windows, but it had a sliding visor. Whatever.
Bye-bye.